Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom for an unboxing of a 2023 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Kool Kombi in the Mooneyes livery. This is from Diecast for 2023 from the Surf's Up series, number 2 of 5, and this is such a nice model. 49 of 250 for 2023. Taking a nice look at that. Nice classic yellow Mooneyes with the chrome 5-spoke rims. This is based off of like a Tooned Volkswagen T1 bus. I think that's what it is. And there's the toy number there. Kool Kombi from Surf's Up. Not too much to read. It says this is an international package. The 2023s have a 2021 copyright, but you can tell this is a 2023 because of the dark collector number. On the 2022s, they're white, and this 49 of 250 is in like dark blue. So yeah, let's get this open. Really nice hot model. I found 2 of these, so pretty cool. See how we did on this open. Very nice. I could put that right back in there and you wouldn't tell that I opened it. Of course I'd have to re-glue it, but anyways, check this out. Looking right at the back, nice exposed engine there, rear engine. And I'm noticing that this has a decent amount of weight to it. Alright, Hot Wheels, this is a very nice model, really, yeah. Look at this. Black plastic base. Haven't tooled it since 2012, so it's going to be a thick plastic base. There's a wheelie bar there. Bigger wheels in the back, as you can see, but not skinny wheels in the front, so that's good. Not too big of a fan of skinny wheels. This has a brown interior. 30th anniversary, 1992 to 2022. Of course, this is a 2023 release, but R39, so it was manufactured in 2022. Then we got Mooneyes. Nice big Mooneyes on the side. This is such a desirable model. Kool Kombi is already really popular, and the Mooneyes is even more popular, so there you go. Very nice. I'm glad I found this one. And black and blue there. It says surf on it. Look at the windows there. And then the Volkswagen logo, the classic bus. Volkswagen Bus in the front. This is a nice new model for 2023, or not a new model, but new release of this model for 2023. Very nice, very nice. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. What cars do you want me to open up next? Goodbye.